Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be doing the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of Redmi Note 7. Now before we get started, these are the benchmark scores and the specifications of the Redmi Note 7. Now coming to my current setup, phone currently has 98% of battery and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is 25 degrees. Now coming to the temperature of the phone, on the front it is 30 degrees, at the bottom it is 31. At the back it is 30 degrees and once again at the bottom it is 30 degrees. Now this phone does come with a feature called Game Booster in security settings, and these are some options that you can use to improve the gaming experience. Now I'll start the timer and start the gaming review with PUBG Mobile. For this gaming review I'll be just playing one game, that's PUBG. Usually I also play Asphalt 9, but for some reason that game is not available for this phone, so it's just gonna be PUBG on this phone. Now once the game starts, you can see a curved button on the top left corner. If you tap on it, you get additional options to record the screen, take a screenshot, boost and block notifications. You also get a button to move these options to the right side. Now as you can see, game is not occupying the entire display. Notch area is completely left blank and doesn't give you that immersive experience. I tried to change the settings but it still doesn't go full screen. So guys, coming back to the gaming review. First I'll be playing this game in HD graphics settings in high frame rate, and then I'll switch to smooth graphics settings with high frame rate. So right now I'm playing this game at HD graphics settings. As you can see, visuals are looking pretty good and I couldn't notice any major lag. There is a bit of lag here and there, but the game is still playable. I can still see smaller details like the shadows and grass, and the controls are also pretty smooth. Overall, in HD graphics settings, this game is definitely playable. Now I'm going to switch to smooth graphics settings with high frame rate. Now as you can see, there isn't any huge difference between HD graphics settings and smooth graphics settings. Well, at least I couldn't notice much difference, and in smooth graphics settings visuals are pretty smooth. Now I played PUBG Mobile on many other phones even in HD graphics settings, and compared to all those phones, on Redmi Note 7, visuals in HD graphics settings aren't that impressive. It looks pretty similar to the smooth graphics settings that we see right now. So overall, I couldn't see any major difference in terms of visuals when we switched to smooth to HD graphics settings, but comparatively in smooth graphics settings, there is almost no lag. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 25 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front it is 38 degrees, at the bottom it's about 39. On the back once again it is 39 degrees and at the bottom it is 35 degrees. So guys, gaming experience on this phone has been pretty good. If you're someone who wants to play PUBG with the best visuals and the best display, this is definitely one of the best choices you have at just 10,000 rupees. And as you have seen, I've been playing this game for about 25 minutes and there are no heating issues either. Now coming to the battery drain test, I've been playing this game for about 25 minutes or 26 minutes on the whole, and the current battery percentage is 92%. So for approximately 25 minutes of gameplay, phone drained about 6% of battery, which is definitely pretty good. Now for the final heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously for 3 minutes using both the front and rear cameras and then check the temperature of the phone. By the way, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start taking pictures. As you can see, capturing speeds are really slow and the camera application gets stuck a lot. This has been the case from day one of the unboxing. Right now this phone seems to be having a camera related issue, maybe a software bug, and we have to wait for a software update to fix that. For now, let me just continue taking pictures. So guys, it's been 3 minutes since I've been taking pictures. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees, at the bottom it is 37. On the back once again it is 41 degrees and at the bottom it is 35 degrees. Now the phone feels hot, but not that hot, still manageable. Now usually most phones take about 200 plus pictures in those 3 minutes, but the Redmi Note 7 just took 64 pictures. That's how bad the camera application is right now. So guys, overall there are no heating issues with this phone, but the camera does have some issues, like it may be a software bug, and if you try to take a lot of pictures continuously, then your phone will definitely get pretty hot and phone will hang a lot, or the camera application will stuck a lot. I tried to take some pictures with this phone in direct sunlight one afternoon and the phone got pretty hot, maybe 45 to 49 degrees. But overall phone was still usable and the heat was manageable, and when the camera application gets fixed, you won't even have that problem. So guys, what do you think about the gaming performance of this phone? Do let us know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, please use the link in the description, it always helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off, have a nice day.